I'll give you a simple example. Suppose we want to calculate the modulus of elasticity if pressure is increased from, if my calculate the value of K, that is my modulus of elasticity, if my initial pressure is 70 Newton per centimeter square and final pressure is 130 Newton per centimeter square. Okay. And the decrease in volume is given as decrease in volume percentage is percent. Okay. So what is my K? So directly you put the formula. That is my, so initial pressure is my 70 and final pressure is my 130. So the difference is my 60 Newton per centimeter square divided by percentage volume. Okay, decrease in percentage volume. That is my 0.15 divided by 100. Okay, so we can write 60 multiplied by 100 divided by 0.15. So after solving this, we can get the value of the bulk modulus of elasticity. That is my 4 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per centimeter square. Okay.